We are Hogan's in Bangor. We produce asphalt and concrete. The mixer box over the pit, what happens is you tend to get spill and it goes onto the floor. So when your skip is going down, it hits the bottom of the skip. So it's a vital part that we've got to clean at the end of the day. It's as a part of the process.
So it was a kind of a two-man job. So you had the loading shovel driver, which would open the gates and obviously drive the shovel. The operator usually would go to the opposite side of the plant to reverse the skip track to the far end. Then you'd have to isolate the plant, walk up the steps up to the top, and then you'd have a hook basically to hook it on. Basically, the loading shovel used to lift the track up, and then obviously they hook it up. Then sometimes you'd get, if you had like a different driver that you wouldn't get usually, sometimes you'd probably get, if I put a hand action, you'd be like hook, otherwise you'd do it quick, just in case, yeah, anything can happen.
The main risks was the guy behind the track. He would have the risk of getting entrapment, or where the loading shovel operator could not see behind the mixer box, so he wouldn't see the other guy. So you were dependent on a signal, and usually sometimes they would not hear a signal, so there was always that risk of getting trapped. It was always done in that way. When I started here, we always did use that method, which wasn't good. So this is where we had to think of planning on something better. So the first thing what we thought of, that if we take away that danger of removing, from using the loading shovel to lift, moving the risk. So we thought of a winch to lift the skip track. So it began with us getting a new wrap system that needed a platform for the belts and conveyors. So we agreed on putting a bigger platform, like a big gantry, at the same time as we were building this wrap system, so we could fit our winch system onto the platform. So we put a cross member across the track and the lifting points, so that always remained on, so nobody would have to go there and disconnect or connect, and the skip could pass under the hook, so you don't have to take the hook out, it always stays there. And then we basically, one person with a remote, and it sends it up and sends it down. So that was the first stages of our lifting device for the track. After we've done the lifting device and everything, we needed a fail-safe device. What we came up with a plan was that when we lift the skip track up, that it automatically locks into place in position with nobody doing anything, that it automatically happens. Where the lifting device remote now is in a much safe area, you're away from danger. You can look on the skip track as it goes up as well, so you've got visual on the skip track, and you've got a light here in front, so as it goes up, it passes the hook, it goes green. When it's past the hook, it goes off, so you know it's engaged. So if the skip track would to fall, it would engage into the hook straight away, so it would stop the failure. Yes, I feel much safer for everyone now. The benefits of the new system: you've taken away one person, you can all do it on yourself by yourself. You've taken away the loading shovel, so it's, like I say, it's all done by remote, and it's a faster process as well of doing, where it took longer, so it's a much better process of doing it how it is now, and a lot safer.